Hello, hello, hello. Hello, hello, hello. And welcome to another episode of Wave Watch. Yeah, it looks like Ethereum here is only merely doing a retrace to the support level now. Just wanted to hop on and do a quick Ethereum update. We have on the wave WXY for a mega macro wave 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. Beginning wave 3. At least that's what we have here on the chart. Wave 3 should be ending at around $3,230 around there. And if that's the case, this is only a temporary pullback to the base of the channel here. I don't like the way the RSIs look, but this is the, I believe this is the 2-day chart. This is the 2-day chart. This is bullish, my people. This is bullish. Short term it looks very bearish. I would like to be a bear, but Ethereum looks very, very bullish. And these are the MACD is bearish. The trend is bearish. The super trend is bearish. If we do the 3-day, the 3 ATR, which I prefer, the 3 ATR super trend, I prefer that. And I'm using 50. I usually use 27, but I'll stick to 50. Use whatever number you like. This is just for a frame of reference purposes. Customize your own indicator however you like, however you see fit. But yeah, we have a back test, and this is long-term wise. This is not a bad area to go for a long, and you know, the risk is not that bad. And also to stay invested, you know. Ethereum is not one of those coins you want to sell at all, of course. And yeah, it looks like we're on our way. Let's look at the miner count. Here we have a 1, 2, looks like 3, 4, 5. That's what it looks like here. Hard to tell. Let's zoom in here. All right. Have a wave 1. Wave 3 ends at the 1786. I'm sorry, my apologies. That looks like the 2414 level on the fib. Wave 4 sideways correction for a WXY, and wave 5 which is roughly 1272 of wave 1 or 618 extension of wave 4. Perfectly matches the description. And so I do expect an ABC manner like correction. There we go. Let me remove the thingies here. Yep, I do expect an ABC like correction here. So this is the first leg done. A, B, up, C, down into a wave 2. And that's what I'm looking to see. We should see some retracements down to this 1865 level. Normally wave 2s, macro wave 2s are retraced to the top of wave 1 or into 382 level here. Let me just indicate that on the chart. So we should expect this move on Ethereum. Nothing to be surprised about. And if we do the ABC, I expect a quick pop to the upside if we stop here. There's no knowing how far down this A wave will go. If we do a quick analysis of how far this A wave will go, we could try and see we can pick out a impulse correction in here, a 5-wave impulse, which I believe we just finished doing. 1, 2, 3. We've just finished putting in wave 5, wave 3. All right, let's see here. Wave 3 was 272. Wave 4 is completing now. So we might have some more downside to go before a quick pop up, wave B, and drop down, wave C. That's Ethereum, folks. That's short term. Let's look at something a little bit more long term for Ether. Let's go to the monthly. For the longer term monthly, yeah, we're expecting this to hit this level, this breakout to, so just expect the highs. Depending on how Bitcoin looks, we will see if we break into how the stock market, the SPY looks. This could be a fake out like what Bitcoin did and then just drop back down to here. You know, like I said before in my other videos, this is an extended fifth. Extended fifths based around here usually. Not to be a bear, but that happens. It could be a W, X to the top, Y down. There's nothing stopping that. But, you know, this is microwave 1 for this. If the trend stays intact, we can definitely continue going to the moon. But, you know, you have to have risk no, it's not risk parity. You have to have the coin moving in the trend of the market. Right now, total looks great on the MACD. Sorry about that. It looks great on the MACD, and historically, once we go above the zero line on the MACD, we hold it for a while. So it could be that this this head and shoulders on the total, on the monthly, breaks out to the upside here, and we continue to see the climb. But notice how it ends right there. Boom. Right there, right there. So it could be that either Bitcoin will phase out for a while after we hit this on the total, or it could be the alts. The alts have hit their target. So this move down is not unexpected. And you know what? The worst news yet is, while we did have a crossover here on the monthly, it continued to go up. You know, this crossover here signaled doom. And when we had this crossover here, the trend was already up. Right now, there is no trend on the monthly. You could argue that the crossover happened here. This is my EMA spread indicator here. I really like to use this as a trend indicator. Excuse the crazy lines. I like to use the fan method to determine the uptrend, and obviously it held perfectly well. But like I said before, yeah, we hit the target on the monthly. This could be an A, B, C up. and we're expecting an impulsive wave down, and that's exactly what we've had. So this correction is not unexpected, I would say. Yeah, on the weekly, this weekly RSI crossed over. Yeah, stay protected, folks. Stay protected. Every time we had a crossover, you know. Best case scenarios, we find base here. Worst case is we retest here. And that's a 22% drop. What we're looking for confirmation of the wave C down, which is the worst of all, is a impulsive correction down. We're looking for a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's what we're looking for. So this is wave 3. Wave 3 just started. And we should see somewhere between here and here basing of wave 3, a formation of a head and shoulders, and then continuation down to the base here. I'm gonna leave this here, and I will touch upon this later. Yeah, I think it has begun. I think it has begun. There you go. There you go. Matter of fact, isn't this a double top? Right? Now you can argue that this could be the ABC for the next wave up. I'll leave this on there for now, but you can say that this is ABC. You can say that. You can say that. Just note C waves. See how there's equality there with A wave and C wave. C waves are sharp like this. Sometimes they extend. Usually they do extend further. If we get continuation to the C wave or 3. No, if we get continuation, it's more likely a 3 than a C. That's what I'll say. If we keep going forward, upwards. And it's usually an ABC to begin the next leg up. Yeah, stay vigilant, my friends. Sleepy Bull out.